How to enable back button on Android phones. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So if your screen looks like this on your Android device and you want to enable back gesture, open up your settings on your device. Simply pull down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on System and Updates. Now here you can find option for system navigation. If you don't find the option here, go back, scroll all the way down to the up. Now tap on search. Now type gestures. Now scroll down and tap on gestures for system navigation. Now select the toggle for buttons and choose the layout. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.